Hi, it's Chester Tugwell at Blue Pecan Computer Training, and in this video I want to look at how to remove a workbook's password. Now you can tell if a workbook has a password on it because if you try to add sheets, hide sheets or move sheets, all of the options are grayed out. So if you have this scenario, this is how to remove that password. So I'm in Windows Explorer and here's the file that has workbook protection. First thing I do is make a copy of it. I can always get back to the original if I muck this up. And what you want to do to the copy is convert it to a zip file. And to do that, right click on the file, go to rename, just change the file extension to zip. Confirm that you want to make the change. Then what you want to do is extract the contents of that folder. Right click, extract all, we'll extract into the same folder. Opens up another window, we can close that down. And here's the folder with the extracted files. I'm going to double click on it and I'm going to go into the Excel folder. And there I have a file called workbook.xml. Now we need to open that up in a text editor. Right click on it, open with, and I'm going to use Notepad. And then I'm going to expand this window. What you're looking for in this code is the word lock structure. If you can't find it, Control F, type lock structure into this dialog box, find next, it'll find it for you. And you can see that currently lock structure has a value of 1. If you change that to 0, save your file, then you can close down your text editor. Then what we need to do is go up a level. And these 3 folders and this file here, you need to rezip. So if I select that folder, shift, select that file, go to share, the top here, zip, and I can give it a name. So I'll call this unlocked sales data. And the file extension needs to be changed back to what it was. So in this case, that's XLSX. Press enter. Confirm that I want to make the change. Double click to open it. Now, if I right click down here, you can see that I can insert sheets, hide them, whatever I need to do. So the workbook is no longer locked for structure. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully you found it useful. If you have, please subscribe and I'll see you next video.